Hi everyone. Today Sunday 29, and I pick up Shaira from the work, and she said need to go to Clark because in Clark have today an 8 o'clock fireworks. Full parking, full. Usually this parking is empty, don't have cars. But now not easy to park car, not easy to park. Shaira in the car. Shaira, hi. Shaira don't want in the video. How are you?
I'm fine. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Sunday.
Sunday 29.
29.
Yeah.
And it's have event here in Clark.
Light, light, Shaira. You don't have, you cannot see your face.
So have event here in Clark. They called it Fire Fest.
Fire Fest.
It's fireworks. It's every year they prepare it. Sometimes in SM Clark, but right now in Clark already.
First time in the Clark. Before I know SM Clark. I know why. Because in the SM Clark is road works. You know, they prepare highway. That's why now. But where already 8 o'clock already. 8 o'clock. Where? Where fireworks, Shaira? Where? Okay, switch off light and we go to the park, okay? Already start, but Shaira won't make up in the car. Shaira already start fireworks. Why you need to backpack? Not need. Most of people already in the park. Shaira tired in the work.
Pag nakita mo si Tito
Lost Shira, but I already see Shira where. Shira, you say it in CR, but so many CR here.
We are there. It's only there.
Ah.
You can
You need to just set location to me.
because I forgot it. Okay.
You don't know how to.
Because
Where your family?
they already going to park already,
Okay.
and we gonna eat.
But we already full.
But I want to eat again
Again you want it?
because I've been in CR.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I'm waiting for them only.
You say to your family also send location. Because not easy to find without location. They want to sit also in the park. Shira, why it's so 1 minute only fireworks only?
I don't know.
I don't. Yeah, 1 minute only. We sit here and waiting for Shira have uniform.
I need to hide it.
Hide? You cannot use uniform outside?
No, not allowed.
Not allowed. But why you not change clothes? In the car? Yeah, but in the car you have clothes in the car.
Have?
Yes, you remember you put before, so you can change. No, already next time.
Hello, nara kay banta.
Shira asking where, because they also go to park, but she don't know where they park.
Football?
Finding Shira family already not easy to find because so many people.
Yes, it's not easy to find them, but they here already.
But why so dark here?
That's okay. Uy, kalarap, may kapalarap.
Hi.
Hi, Kanukam. Hi, Kanukam.
Hi. What is table or chair?
Foldable.
Foldable. Hi.
No, set up your fire. I want Papa. He said he want Papa Leon. She want.
Shira always dance. Oh, so many foods.
Yeah. Roast chicken.
Chicken,
Hot dog.
chicken, hot dog.
Sweet. Dessert.
And
From coconut this one.
Yeah. And rice.
Handmade?
Yeah, homemade.
Rice and coconut.
Yeah. Yes, coconut.
you can try it so good.
I will try, yes.
Yeah.
Because we already finished it with Shira in McDonald's.
But I'm hungry.
Shira always hungry, I know. Fireworks only 1 minute.
Yeah, the only one.
1 minute only, yeah. I don't know why.
Maybe they have. Yeah, karakan yan.
You can try it. Yeah, you like no?
Good weather.
Chicken,
You
This,
can try first.
okay. This is, I don't know how to name. What name is?
Pichi, pichi.
How?
Pichi,
Peachy, peachy, peachy. I translate in English how to translate, Shira.
That's like a rice cake. It's like rice cake.
Maybe same we bought before in
Like pudding.
Thailand.
It's pudding.
Yeah, like pudding.
Okay.
You can try first.
Okay, I'll try.
Lion will gonna try the dessert.
Yeah, I never tried before. I don't know. It's good.
That's cheese, huh? That's
Cheese. Cheese with
With coconut.
coconut
Yeah.
and rice.
Rice cake.
Cheese outside. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's good with tea.
Have hot water
With
here.
Tea or water with water better.
Mm-hmm.
And not so sweet. Not so sweet is better because so sweet I don't want. But this is okay.
It's like pudding.
Huwag mo sa...
Give me more.
Have more there.
Joke. No, it's good.
Oh, dito nga.
Mhm.
Magkikita ba kayo?
But in the market can buy also.
Yes. Even in our place, every Wednesday have also.
Every Wednesday.
So many variant or type of that.
Okay.
Ayan o.
You next, Shaira.
Kung ayaw.
Eat.
Because I drink already.
Okay.
Uwi na tayo.
You want to show? Mamaya na to.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay.
Roasted pepper chicken.
No, we cannot already. No, Shaira can. Shaira can eat.
Alam ko, marami. Ay, hindi, marami.
He will gonna sing your what is this? Anthem of your country.
Really? You see?
Россия, зачем моя нация бежал? Наша страна, могучая воля, великая слава, свое достояние, во всем времена. Славься, Венезуэла, у нас есть свободное братский народ, по союзе Кубань, предками данная мудрость народная, славься, страна, с тобой.
But where you study Russian language?
No, I mean I'm learning national anthems of other countries. Like I know so many countries that I know their anthems. Like Ukraine also I can sing.
Ah, you also know Ukraine. Ah, you watch on YouTube and study, like study.
Yes.
Ah, it's good.
But I'm European Russian, sir.
Yes, I'm from Russia, yeah.
I'm a Filipino, sir. No, I mean I'm a Filipino. I'm from
But from where? From the Philippines? In Pampanga?
I was born in Tel Aviv.
Where?
Tel Aviv,
Tel Aviv,
Israel.
Israel. And live in the Philippines now.
Yeah.
With your family? So your relatives from Israel?
I was
And
born there and I was raised in Philippines.
so your family from the Philippines, but you was born in Israel.
Yes.
They work in Israel before maybe.
Yes.
Good, good. Wait, I will try to hold camera.
What do you create?
For Christmas.
Where are you from in Russia, sir?
Huh?
You're from Siberia or
It's Vladivostok. It's Vladivostok. It's
Moscow?
no, Moscow is very far from Vladivostok. Near Japan and Korea, Vladivostok city.
No, I mean it's part of Siberia.
Part of Far East, Siberia, and because this Russia have parts of Europe, Siberia, and Far East of Russia. I am from Far East of Russia. From Far East of Russia. It's very close from Japan. Japan, China, Korea.
So it's also near to Vladivostok.
Vladivostok, yeah, Vladivostok city. It's capital of Far East of Russia, Vladivostok city.
It's also bordering with North Korea, right?
Yes, very close from North Korea, China, and Japan.
Also very far from Mongolia.
Mongolia is very close from China. It's very close.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, guy.
Thank you,
What
sir.
is your name?
Elimelech.
Elimelech.
But you
Okay,
can call me Elim.
okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
God bless, sir. How do you say thank you in Russian?
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Спасибо. Yeah, in Russian, thank you is спасибо.
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 You can say thank you in Hebrew. It's Odaraba.
Okay.
Odaraba.
Okay.
Or if you can greetings, you can say shalom in
Shalom. Okay. So I think you know many language.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Galing naman. Shukran.
Shaira no.
Nakapanda na po yung Arab countries, no?
Ha?
Nakapanda
Sadik.
Nakapadala po yung Arab, sir? Saan po sa Middle East?
Saudi Arabia.
Ano siya? Arabo to, Arabo. English alam mo naman.
Where have you been in
Lama,
Middle East?
Arabic.
Arabic. Ay, sayang.
Hindi ba, I mean, saan po sa Middle East po siya nakapunta po?
Sadik, Esmo, Sadik.
Pinak?
Esmo. What's your name? What's your name?
Limalag. Peace.
Abdul Razak
Peace.
Ambar. My name is Abdul Razak Ambar from Saudi Arabia.
Oh. Salam.
Selamat salam.
Salam. Kamsahamnida. Arigato. Sheshe.
In Chinese and Japanese he say it. Arigato. Sisi in Chinese. Yes, good guy.
Speak in another.
Aha, Arabian, he can speak Arabian also.
Patang may lakon kita kami lo.
But my dad know how to speak in
Daddy ka.
Arabic.
Dad.
Mhm.